Okay, so I've been working on my afterburner setup on my F-18, and I decided to put in a little delay since, on the real thing, when you throttle up, the burners don't come on right away. So I have it set up right now so that there's a delay. So if you just go to half, it just kind of comes on. But if you go to full, it ramps up slowly. So I'm going to start all the way down at idle, and then I'm going to just go all the way to full and see how slowly it ramps up, which is more realistic. So then go all the way to full, and I'm going to pull it back quickly and see how it goes off slowly. So back up to full, slowly ramps up, pull it back down, and it slowly goes down. So just trying to make it look a little bit more realistic.